Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to increase fan speed on your laptop. And before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. First of all, you may ask Alex what happened to your computer. Do not worry, my computer is totally fine. This is just my new laptop that my dad bought in Germany and he sent it over to Greece. This is not a gaming laptop or anything, this is just my home laptop and I may make this laptop an editing laptop for my videos that I make. Do not worry, the quality will be the same as I make on my computer, 1080p, 60 fps. I do not know how about the color, if it's going to be the same, but I will see it. It will be a very small difference, but you won't notice it. And about the audio, I will use on my laptop the built-in microphone that it has. I'm not going to use my microphone that I use on my computer because this is literally a trash microphone. I have to make a lot of edits in Audacity, and yeah, I hope this built-in microphone is better than the microphone that I have on my computer. And that's what I had to say. Let's get into the video. For this video, we'll be using this software right here, Notebook Fan Control, and of course, I'm gonna leave the link in the description to download the software. And once you're in the GitHub website, go to the latest version where it says here latest release. Do not go to the earlier versions. You will see it anyways. It says pre-release and latest release. Once you're in the latest version, scroll down a bit to where it says assets and click the .x setup. Do not click the other ones because they are source codes. Click on top of it and it's gonna start downloading. It's only 2.2 megabytes. It's not a lot at all. And once you have downloaded the software, open the setup and you will say administrator privileges. Just click yes and then click install. I do not need to show you how to install it. It's pretty much straightforward. It's only 2 clicks and we're gonna go straight up to the software. Once you install it, you may see that there's no shortcut for this software. Just go to the search and type there notebook and it will open up. It will take about 10 to 15 seconds to load up and I will see you in a bit. And this is the software right here. And if you want to know how to make it a shortcut on your desktop, just go to where you have installed the software, drag the .x file out to the desktop to make it a shortcut. And once you're here, the first things first that you need to do, up here in the top where it says selected config, choose your laptop. This is, I do not know if it has every single laptop in here. I did not tell you in the intro what my laptop is. It's an HP ProBook 650 G2, as you can see up here. It does not actually show it because I have already put it. And if your laptop does not show in here, then this software is not for you. And after you click apply, it will show it up here. And by default, I think it's going to be read only. You need to change it to enabled. And right down here, to change the fan speed, just drag the slider right here. If you put to 0%, I think it's going to totally turn off. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna put it to 100%. And if you see down here in the green bar, current fan speed, it will go to 100% slowly. It's not going to be like 0 to 100 in like 1 second. As you can see, it's rising up. I do not know. I do not actually know if you can hear the fan or not, but in your laptop you will totally hear it. As you can see, it's rising up 93.3. I recommend you leaving it to auto. Do not like throw it to 100% all the time. And as you can see, it's 100%. It's actually throwing out a hot air right here, and I'm literally burning. I'm gonna leave it to auto, and yeah, that's everything I get. I do not know what actually read only does. I recommend you putting it to enabled and then auto. And yeah, that's a video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in my next video. See ya.